VZ stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Verizon stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1 minute video. I am the only person in the stock trading space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. And bro, I'm not even exaggerating, it's all on my YouTube channel. Verizon specifically seems like everything kind of got shifted, which I'm going to just put where it's supposed to be. Something along these lines, but no, actually a little bit lower. That is here. Whatever. This is still a decent bullish market for me, man. So the only thing that will actually make me buy is a proper shift. I don't care however lower low goes or whatever. If there is a proper double break here, that I'm solely buying. And keep in mind, this is the 4-hour chart, so this probably will take time. And there is not a problem if you want to go with the sell side in the meantime. So yeah, that's that. If you want to get my money making emails to the insights for free, just click the first link in the description and I'll see you. Keep you updated.